Today, we're making spicy tuna and crispy rice. Rinse your rice thoroughly to remove all the starch. Place into pot with equal parts water, then follow my method in the caption. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine rice vinegar, salt, and sugar. Microwave for a minute until dissolved. Transfer cooked rice into a bowl along with rice seasonings and carefully mix. Place into a shallow dish lined with wrap, press down firmly, and then into the fridge for 2 hours. Slice your tuna against the grain, then carefully dice, then roughly chop. Place your tuna into a mixing bowl with mayonnaise, sriracha, salt, and sesame oil. Combine, then season more if need be. Remove rice from fridge, trimming the edges, and then cut into bite-sized pieces. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes until crispy and golden. Place onto a rack, and you'll end up with crunchy exterior and soft on the inside. Add tuna mix on top along with sesame seeds and finish with some finely sliced green onions. If you're looking for a mouth-watering appetizer or snack, look no further.